This is the very popular, one-of-a-kind, very limited black Vermilion edition. This is a 2022 BMW X6 X-Drive 40i. This is the black Vermilion edition. I'm gonna do a brief walk around to show you this car. For those of you who messaged me, called me, send me messages on my YouTube channel after I posted that little bit on my TikTok. Appreciate you staying in touch and subscribing to the channel. For those of you who haven't subscribed to the channel, this is Samir Umer from BMW Toronto. After watching the video, I would appreciate if you guys can subscribe to the channel, like the video, click on the bell icon for more informative content like this, and please do comment below and share the video with family and friends with similar interests. I'm gonna just briefly walk around this car to show you what it's all about. So it's obviously in the frozen black paint. Yes, this is original factory paint, not a wrap. The 22-inch gray wheels right here. Let's see if it mentions anything. I don't see it. You have the red brake calipers, nice sunlight shining on it. So the other side was shaded, this is in the sunlight. The front kidney grills are gray with the red highlight, nice gloss red with the matted gray. So if you can see up close. And of course the inside part stays black. Grills are right now closed. The active grills are closed. The surrounding border is the high gloss black, consistent with the rest of the high gloss black around the car. Gorgeous vehicle, and one lucky customer got to go for it. This is going to be delivered very soon. The interior trim is super special as well. Carpeting has the red piping consistent with the exterior. The seat has the red piping on there as well. Beautiful interior trim. Tough fitted leather stitching. Huge trunk space. A lot of underneath storage as well. Alright guys, so here it is. The black Vermilion edition 2022 BMW X6 X-Drive 40i. These have the BMW laser headlights. Let's pop the hood. I'm gonna walk around once more with the whole vehicle opened up. Okay, that was it in the shade, and this side with the sunlight hitting the paint. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here, but I really appreciate you guys watching through to the end. For all of you subscribers, thank you. For those of you who haven't, I would really appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel. Like the video, comment below, click on the bell icon for more informative content like this, and do share the video with family and friends. Let me close it up. Yes, it does have soft closed doors. Sorry guys, this is gonna sound a bit loud because it echoes in here, but trust me, I'm not slamming the hood that hard. That's a mean looking grill. Gorgeous. All right guys, so I'll see you on the next one.